Do you think carbs makes you fat, or do you consider carbs as a villain, or do you think carbs are something that are stopping you from losing weight most of the times, and especially while you're working out? Hear me out, let me break this down to you. So, carbs are more like a fuel to your body. Now, imagine just like how your phone needs a battery, how your bike or how your scooty or how your car needs a petrol or diesel. And sometimes most of us are dependent on tea or coffee to us to start our work properly. In the same way, carbs are very, very important to your muscles to start working or to, stay intact. Now, if you're not taking carbs and if you're trying to push very harder in your gym, or if you're trying to push that, a very intense workout in your gym, you'll still be working just like a phone with 1% battery, but you will not actually, go longer, or you will not actually give your best in terms of working out. So when can you eat carbs exactly, and what sort of carbs can you eat? So you can eat either 30 to 60 minutes before your workout. It could just be a banana. It could just be a toast with a peanut butter. You could even eat like, a apple or a coffee with some nuts. Just make sure this particular carb gives you an instant energy to push you harder. Can you eat carbs just after your workout? Absolutely yes. You would also need some amount of energy just after the workout, right? But this time your carbohydrate has to be, a little bit mixed up with good amount of protein. It could just be a protein shake with a small handful of nuts, or you can just eat a good amount of boiled eggs or an omelette or anything with good amount of protein in it. But just make sure this protein has good amount of carbs so you feel better, and you're not gonna lose on your muscles, or you're not gonna lose on your strength at all. The bottom line here is carbs are nothing but energy. Energy is equals to carbs, carbs is equals to energy. So if you're someone who is trying to lose weight, if you're someone who is trying to, your best in the gym, please do not give up on the carbs, because they are very, very, very important. So comment down which is your favorite carb, or what do you take for your pre-workout. Let's discuss.